Grabe si Chef. Ayan. Ang ready ni Chef para sa kanyang mga friendship. So, the ladies will learn how to commute. It's time to ride the MRT. So we're going to BGC through the One Ayala, and we're going to ride a bus. Okay, stop. May tickets na naman sila, so no need to get some tickets. This is the Mind Museum, guys. So where you will have space adventure, journey to the wonders of the universe. The Mind Museum. Napakaganda. Technicians wanted. Wanted. And there's the robot. The humanoid of the future. Okay, pose. Pose, ladies. Wait. First time here. Salamat. Part of our growing online community is environmentally sustainable. We recycle water. We have a green park. We use green materials. We are energy efficient. A variable air volume, VAV. We have green roof. We use solar panels. Number 7, we use energy efficient lighting. And we are ozone friendly. We use recycled construction materials, and we have materials recovery facility, or MRF. Okay. There you go. Fly, fly, fly. That's the Mind Museum. Dito po ang entrance, kuya. Entrance dito. Ladies, here a dozen days of discovery. You see? Ayan. Okay, and this one here. There you go. At nandun po yung mga papasok. Enjoy, ladies! There you go. Here's Shangri-La, the Fort Manila. And then, this is the Mind Museum. Usually, mga space talaga. Siguro yung dinagdag nila, aside from the space, is actually yung pandemic. Mga sakit-sakit siguro. Mars Explorers wanted. Ay, nako. Multiple tours available sa Mars. Mars Explorers, we need you. NASA. Ayan. Ay po, pwede pumasok po. Oo. Yung mga mag-a-apply papuntang Mars. Natuloy po ba sila? Natuloy po ba sila? Kasi yung papuntang Mars, sabi nila, yung couple na magstay talaga doon. Oh, space rocks. Imagine. Meteorite, comet naman. May meteoroids are bits of rock and metal floating between the planets. Meteoroids can be as big as a pebble or as small as a grain of dust. So maliliit lang naman pala. Oo, yun ang mga meteoroids. Ang meteorite at saka comet, malaking chunk. Tapos meron pang tail, 'di ba? Ganito po. Yes. Ayan, ang Earth na. Asteroids are big boulders in the sky. Asteroids po yun. Asteroids can be as small as a house or as big as a mountain. My goodness. Most asteroids can be found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. So talagang delikado pala dyan at malalaki. Malalaking tipak. Pwedeng as small as a house. Eh di, oo, pag natakpan ka nun, dead ball. O, meteorite. So, ito pinakamalaki. Maliit-liit konti na may buntot yung comet. Tapos yung meteorite. Ang meteoroids, parang rock and metal floating between the planets na parang big as pebbles lang or small as grain of dust. Tapos meteors. Scientists give them different names based on their size. That makes them up and where they are. Space rocks are important because they contain clues about how the solar system formed. We also have to watch out for bigger space rocks such as asteroids that are headed our way. Dinosaurs that were wiped out when an asteroid hit the Earth 65.5 million years ago. Ganon. Let's go to space. Ayan po. So let's go the Mind Museum at Taguig. Okay, nandito po sa labas pa lang, meron ka na makikita the hydroponics, the future of farming. Totoo talaga yan. No soil, fast growth, less disease, less food miles, and higher yields. See? Tama. O, tingnan nyo naman. Hydroponics exhibit, oh. Wow. Really? Really, dear. Look at your hydroponics garden. Lettuce garden. So that you'll have greens. Beautiful. See? Ang ganda po talaga ng hydroponics exhibit. Okay, the My Museum at Taguig.